If you are positive, you will see opportunities instead of obstacles. This is a thought of विदात अकरावी। विदात अकरावी का कहना यह है कि यदि आप सकारात्मक है तो आप बाधाओं के बजाय अवसर देखेंगे। जर तुम्ही सकारात्मक असाल तर तुम्हाला अडथळ्यांऐवजी संधी दिसतील. What did you learn from today's thought? To view challenges as learning opportunities instead of dwelling on problems. A positive mindset encourages you to see setbacks as chances to learn and grow.